Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can generate images with Grok 3, okay, with the latest model from Elon Musk from Twitter. So the first thing is actually we need to go to Google and we need to type in Grok. Now you have to go to the first result, which is this one here. And now you just have to go to try it now. Now, if you don't know how to create an account, please refer to our previous tutorial on how to use Grok, okay? But if you have an account, this is what's going to look like, okay? And now you just have to go to this button here that says create images. And what this is going to do, this is going to basically type the word draw, which is going to let this model, Grok, know that you want to create an image, okay? So you can actually create any kind of image that you would like, okay? It has pretty much no limits. It can even create no safe for work images, okay? So let's just create one, for example. Let's actually follow one of these results. Draw Isaac Newton with an apple falling from his hand. And let's wait for a couple seconds until it generates. And as you can see here, this is what we have. Okay, we have a couple of images. They're being generated. Cool. Okay, so this is what you have. All right. Now, as you can see, this looks like a kind of a realistic style. Okay. By the way, this hasn't completely been generated yet. Okay. But yeah, this is more like of a realistic style. But you can change the style to your liking. You can choose, for example, cartoon. You can choose, for example, anime, manga, different styles that you have in mind. Okay. Animation style is up to you completely. Okay. How you do this. Okay. The important thing to notice here is that you're going to have a limit of generations that you can create, right? And how you can overcome that is by going premium and by paying for a monthly plan, okay? But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.